Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dropshipping and learn how to set up your very own store using Oberlo. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever owning or holding inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who fulfill the orders directly to your customers. This means you can start a business with minimal upfront investment. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The first step in setting up your Oberlo store is to choose a niche. This is the specific product or category you'll focus on selling. Consider your interests, passions, and potential profitability when making your decision. Step 2. Creating your online store. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to create your online store. Popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix offer user-friendly templates and tools to help you build your store quickly. Step 3. Installing the Oberlo app. To connect your store to Oberlo, you'll need to install the Oberlo app. This app allows you to search for products, import them into your store, and manage your orders. Step 4. Finding products to sell. Oberlo provides a vast marketplace of products that you can import into your store. Use the search bar to find products related to your niche. Consider factors like price, shipping time, and supplier ratings when selecting products. Step 5. Customizing product information. Once you've imported a product, you can customize the product information, including the title, description, images, and price. Make sure to provide accurate and compelling information to attract customers. Step 6. Setting up your store's appearance. Customize the overall look and feel of your store to match your brand and appeal to your target audience. You can edit your store's theme, colors, and layout. Step 7. Setting up shipping and payment options. To make it easy for customers to purchase from your store, you'll need to set up shipping and payment options. Integrate shipping carriers and payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Step 8. Marketing your store. Now that your store is ready, it's time to start marketing it. Utilize various marketing channels like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to attract customers. Step 9. Managing orders and customer service. As orders start coming in, it's important to manage them efficiently. Oberlo provides tools to track orders and communicate with suppliers. Additionally, excellent customer service is essential for building a successful online business. Additional tips. Build trust. Establish trust with your customers by providing high-quality products, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. Test your store. Before launching your store, thoroughly test it to ensure everything is working properly. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends and best practices in dropshipping to stay competitive. Continuously optimize. Regularly analyze your store's performance and make necessary adjustments to improve your sales. Setting up an Oberlo store is a great way to start your own online business. By following these steps and incorporating the tips mentioned, you can create a successful store and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Are you ready to take the leap and start your own dropshipping business? If so, click the link in the description to download the Oberlo app and get started today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.